Okay, welcome aboard to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to be creative with making logo designs. Alright, so as a graphic designer, you need to know the areas where you major in and the areas where you measure out. Okay, so you can't be master of all. Alright, so you have some areas where you major and then very minor. Alright, for me, I major in just flyer designs. Okay, but logo designs seems a little bit sophisticated and you just want to claim what you are not really good at. Alright, so that's why I don't shout that I can do logo designs, but if I see a good work, on logo designs, I accept it and I do my best to deliver. Okay, so there are different ways to go about a logo design. The first thing is you need to know what brand they are. Okay, when your client gives you the job, you need to be certain what service they render. Is it a fashion brand? Is it a bakery, a confectionery? Is it a well-established business? Is it you just want to know more about the business? It gives you an idea of the picture of the design you want to paint. All right, so and secondly, you want to find out their brand color. What brand color do they have? Are they using? What brand color resonates with what they are looking for? Don't forget, in color theory, we know that there are some colors that represent different emotions, different ideologies you get. So you want to make sure you do a work that will satisfy their needs. Okay, so secondly, you can either use their initials, probably the name, the first letters of each name. You can just bring it together and be creative, cut out some parts and then provide them with a design. Okay, so you cut out their name, and don't forget you also need to know their tagline. Now if you watch all this logo, I say for a designer, you need to also feed your eyes with other designs. Look at MTN logo, look at Pepsi logo, look at 7-Up logo. It's not really too sophisticated. It's just being creative there, and the brand has been with it for long. So logo is just the graphical representation of a brand. So anywhere you see the 7-Up logo, you already have the idea that this company belongs to 7-Up. You get, so you don't need to make it too deep. You just need to make it something that is really professional. You get, or you could either use a icon that works well for the brand. So I remember I created a logo for a restaurant brand, and then the logo was just being creative. I didn't really have to stress myself. I got an icon that shows that okay, this is a restaurant brand, and then the clients like it very well. Okay, so you can just be creative in any of these ways. So I will show you an app where I get icons. Okay, you can actually edit your letter, your initials of your brand name on pixellab. You can as well browse through YouTube to see different logo design concepts. Right, but I'm just going to show you the app I used to get icons for design brands. So I'll make the app available on Play Store. I'll make it available on the description of this video. So by the time you are done, please go through the description. You will find a link to download this app. So this is the app. My data is not yet connected, but I can actually use the app without data connection. All right, so this app is for creating the 2D concept. So don't forget, you need to understand what a 2D concept is and a 3D concept is. So a 2D concept is just the design, your logo outline that has just the length and breadth, but while your 3D has height, depth, which is depth, length and breadth. So it's looking real. Okay, so I use Photo G to mock up the logo. You can also use Photo P. So all of these apps are available on the Play Store or photopea.com, photopea.com. So photopea.com, or you can download this app Photo G and then use it to get your 2D logo turned into a 3D mockup. All right, so I will just press this. This is the interface. All right, so I just press this, and I want to create a logo. All right, I want to create a logo. You can actually be creative and then check other features of this app. All right, so this is the space. It's already in a PNG. So don't forget that if you want to mock up your logo, you want to make sure it is in PNG format, no background, so that the mockup can really come out well. So these are the icons available, and this can be for a gaming channel or something like that. So you just scroll up, and I begin to see logos now. Let me just take our time. So this is it for a gaming channel. Now we are going to now look at all these icons here. they don't really, they are just, we call them abstract icons. So they just, you can actually choose to get any of them depending on which fits the brand, and you can actually test, okay, give your clients different concepts, all right, so pick from. So just an icon with the name is good to go, or the initials is good to go. So you can see, probably for a photography brand now, probably I got to work, okay, from a photography brand, please help me design a logo. You can see this now. You can, I believe you are seeing what I'm scrolling through. These are icons that you can actually use. It's professional. I mean, I really love this app. This app, I've kept it for years. So you can see now, we're not done. So this is for the for a brand that cooks. You get a restaurant, all right? So you can just see abstract icons to use here. You can as well change the color. Now look at the sea here, how they made it 2 colors and everything. It's just you being creative. So logo designs is really broad. You just need to know where you stand and then see how to improve. All right, so not everything actually could make sense, but you can just come here and get. So this is for probably a hair fashion brand, a hair making brand. You see this or a barbing salon. You get the comb and the scissors. You know, okay, this brand is for a barber shop. All right, so not everything makes sense actually, but you can just, now this is for a hospital, or like look at this plus where we have this 2 different shades of blue color, or this golden yellow color. Then you can see, you can just play around logo. So this can be for a school, you get, can be for a school. Then I think there's still more. Okay, not everything actually made this black this trolley as can push. I made it for a collection brand where they sells clothes and bags. So you can just be creative. You can just be creative. Okay, probably I have a brand that sells clothes, fashion brand. I can just use this lady blue and then black hat. Alright, so this is just the concept. So you just make it available. I'm just going to show you how to get out something. You can actually just get the icon from here and take it to pixellab and even improve on the color you get. So let's just see. So this is coming for a housing brand, a real estate brand. As you can see, a real estate brand. So you see that this app is really helpful when it comes to this. This is how I just get my design concept for logo. You get. Okay, so a logo is something that a brand will use to represent themselves anywhere this logo is seen. So it doesn't need to be very sophisticated. You get, you just need to be creative with it. So I'll just be picking one design now and then showing you how you can edit and then improve on the design. So let me just scroll up. You can actually browse through yourself. I don't want to make this video too long. So let's just pick one. Let's just pick something. Let's see, we're picking this now. So it's already on the screen. So I can just come over to settings. So this is the color. I can adjust the color to what I like. Okay, I can adjust the color. You can see now, depending on the brand's color, the one that resonates to the brand's color, it might not alter everything, but you can actually take it to pixellab and then improve on the color. Okay, so let me just stick with the one I was there before. So you can actually add text here or take it to pixellab and then work on it. So you can just press on this save in PNG, JPG, drawing. So when you're done, take it to pixellab and then do the necessary editing and make sure your fonts that you're using are bolder fonts. You don't want to make it too cursive. And then as soon as you have done that, you take it to the PhotoG app, the app for 3D mockup, or you go to photop.com and then mock it up. So there are tutorials already on YouTube on how to use PhotoG. I'll be dropping the link on how to use PhotoG in the description of this video, and then you can actually check through the browser on the YouTube and said how to use Photop to mock up a logo. There are unlimited opportunities for you on Photop. PhotoG is somehow limited, but you can start with any of them. Alright, so if this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and then be generous enough to drop a comment. Please, if you are new to this channel, I am here to serve your needs as a growing designer. Alright, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button All right, so see you in the next video. Thank you.